Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam mirrored candle holder centerpiece. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need regular diamond wrap and floral diamond wrap. I picked both of these up at EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, party supplies, centerpiece decor, and so much more. They reached out to me and I have partnered with them. They provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word just like the channel name. You can use that coupon code and save yourself 15% on orders with EFavormart.com. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. I also picked up from EFavormart.com some of these little immersible tea lights, and they're in a bright white light. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need 3 of these tea light holders. You're going to need 3 of these tea light holders. You're also going to need 3 of these square mirrors. I have picked up some utility knives from Dollar Tree, and you're also going to need some foam board. Now from Walmart, I picked up some of these peel and stick gemstones. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. If you'd like to make it permanent, use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will work to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now isn't this candle holder centerpiece absolutely beautiful and so simple to make? Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys, another super simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.